everyone, it's Ren here with Perfect Aire. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about our ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. With a tank capacity of 1.3 gallons of water, it can run up to 36 hours at a time, which is great. This ultrasonic humidifier is ideal for large rooms such as living rooms, master bedrooms, finished basements, studio apartments, and more. This humidifier also has easy to use mechanical controls to adjust the amount of mist flow that you would like, and the 360-degree nozzle up at the top lets you choose the direction of the mist. How convenient is that? And what's really unique about this unit is that it also has a built-in active carbon filter, which works to remove any air pollutants and contaminants for overall healthier air circulation and better air quality, which is just so important during flu and virus season. Next up, this unit has a great night light feature. It has a blue light that's super soothing and relaxing, and it makes it such a great option to have this humidifier in your bedroom at night when you're reading a book or even watching TV. This humidifier is also super easy to set up, you guys. Just fill the tank with water, secure it back onto the base, and now you're ready to enjoy refreshing air. I really recommend you clean your unit out weekly. I like using a mixture of water and vinegar, and whenever you're using it, just make sure you keep it on a flat water-resistant surface. I feel so amazing since I've been using the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can find it at major online retailers like Amazon and Wayfair, and you can learn more about this product and other awesome products at perfectaire.us. I'm Ren, thank you so much for watching.